Welcome back, my friends, and happy 2023. This is Lindsay coming back with more work from home job leads. I did a poll the other week regarding being able to put out more work from home job leads on a website. And while most of you were susceptible to that, I did have some great feedback about websites and how hard it is to find the actual job lead and application page. So for 2023, my goal is just continue the channel as is. I will not be creating a website at this time. I will continue to have the links to all the applications straight linked in the YouTube description box below because I do aim to be actually helpful to people, and that seems to be what is most helpful to you, is being able to click the link and get straight to the application page and put your application in. So I will be trying to push out even more work from home job leads in video form on this channel. So in doing that, I will try to shorten them a little bit. So without further ado, today's job lead is from the company Hop Skip Drive. Now they are hiring a Safe Ride support specialist to work remote. So this is going to be in the customer service field. Now, one thing to note real quickly, they are hiring in select states. You need to be located in one of these states to be eligible. I do have these states listed in the YouTube description box below. But if you are in one of those states, they are looking for someone to closely monitor the in-progress rides and provide any needed support for parents, riders, or the care drivers. You'll resolve any issues that may come up during a ride, even if that means creative, out-of-the-box thinking solutions. You'll have to recognize and resolve problems before they arise, so you will be handling a high volume of calls to the Safe Ride support phone queue. You also will send and quickly respond to any SMS or text messages about rides in progress that come through, and you'll also be helping troubleshoot questions about the app, both the iPhone and the Android version, as well as the website. So it's all over customer service for this ride product. They're looking for someone who can multitask between several apps and software programs, someone who can be able to switch tasks and duties with speed and easy, and someone who can adhere to all personal and departmental goals. Now, if that sounds like something for you, they are paying $18 to $20 an hour for this position, and their application seems very easy to put in. You just put in your information, attach your resume, answer a few questions, and that is it. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I ask you, if you find anything that I share helpful, please give this video a thumbs up like button, because that gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful to someone. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. Two videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.